Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So from the title you can tell I am doing an unboxing today, and today is actually my very first video doing an unboxing, so I'm very excited and a little nervous. I really don't know what to expect. So yeah, so this beauty company actually reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to do an unboxing or a review for them, and I was very flattered about when they reached out to me. I was a little nervous because, you know, I wasn't sure if this was legit or whatnot, and of course I had to do my research to make sure. So and then I also had my boyfriend take a look. I was like, do you think this is legit? And he was like, it looks legit, you know. And then I also saw it on YouTube. I saw, well, I actually didn't look, I just searched the product, and you know, a bunch of reviews came out, so I'm like, okay, this seems pretty legit, right? How many times do I have to use the word legit? So the beauty product that reached out to me, they're called Minamul, and obviously it's still in the box. I haven't opened it yet, but they asked for me to do an unboxing, and this, like I said, is my first unboxing. So I was expecting like they were gonna reach out and just send the product to me, and I was gonna do my honest, you know, review on it also, but they were like, here, we'll give you a discount code and then you can purchase it and do an unboxing for us. And I was like, really? I have to purchase this? But anyways, long story short, I decided that, okay, yeah, I will purchase this with my own money and do an unboxing for this company. So I am gonna open this up. So when I purchased this, obviously, like I said, they gave me a discount code. So I think it was, I paid 25 bucks for this. But yeah, which isn't too bad. And what they are is they have natural beauty product for your skin, obviously beauty related, but I think what they were reaching for was natural products to reach out for people who want natural, you know, skincare and whatnot. Okay, so let's open this up. Oops. Okay, let's look at this. Oh my god, I don't have enough space. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so it comes in just like this. It looks like a straightener or a hair product, cover. But this looks really nice. So it says 4X, or 4 times, 4X face and body brushes with loofah, back scrubber, and konjac sponge. The 4-time rejuvenated experience. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So a little description that they have down on Amazon. So it says it is their minimal, luxurious, all-natural dry body brush and face brush bundle. Rejuvenate with our dry skin brushing bundles, completely natural, full body, detoxicating, exfoliate, and cellulite reduction with natural bristle, spending just 10 minutes daily, reduce cellulite, veins, varicose veins, and stretch marks the natural way. You'll be amazed at the results, often with a few days of daily use. Incredible reach with long detectable, blah blah blah. So that's like the main thing, right? So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so right on top it has dry body brushing. I think it gives you like directions. Yeah, directions on how to clean your body, clean your face, and in the back, obviously clean your face here. Okay. Okay, so it comes in like this. Let's come up with this. What is this? I'm not sure what this first one is. It doesn't give me... It might be for... Let's find out. I'll come back to this. And then it'll come with the brush bristles and a small one. I think this one goes in like this, yeah. Okay, so like you can reach your back or your butt also. So that's cool. So you can take this out, put it in, or you can just do it manually like this. Ow, that hurts. I'm really nervous about using this on my face or on my body just because I've seen people have this and I'm always like, is it rough on your skin? But you know, exfoliating, I think it would be super awesome. Exfoliating like my skin and stuff, especially with the summer ending and you know, you try to get rid of all that dry skin. I think it'd be great. And then this small brush, I believe, is for your face. Yeah, so basically you just clean your face. I don't know, I feel like it's so rough. So it says this one's for your forehead, cheeks, chin and neck. Okay, and lastly, this thing. Okay, I honestly thought this was like a piece of rock, but it's actually pretty light. And it says it's basically for your face. So, and on the back of this, it gives you direction. I think you just put it in warm water, gently massage face in a circular motion, use a cleanser, use half of your usual amount, and then you just clean it up and hang it up to dry. Let's open this up. I want to see how this is supposed to work. It just doesn't seem, I don't know. I guess we'll have to see. You guys hear it? How would you clean this? Clean your face? I guess exfoliate your face. Okay. I'm really trying to look in this one. I don't know what this is for. Because it doesn't give me directions on what this is for. I want to know what this is for. Okay. So this spot right here is a little rough. And then these are soft. And they have this little thingy. What is this for? I'm really trying to figure out. Well, as soon as I find out, I will let you guys know, because I don't know what this is or what it's for. I'm assuming it's probably for your body to like clean it up and stuff, but I just want to know exactly what it's for so I know how to use it correctly, you know? So if you guys are looking for like natural products to exfoliate your face, your body, I think Minamul might be a good place to take a look. Obviously I haven't done a review yet, so I can't really say much besides that, but you guys can definitely check out their website, see what they're all about if you're looking for natural beauty cleansing, beauty exfoliating kind of deal. Thanks for watching my unboxing. If you guys like this unboxing, give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And if you guys are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I do pump up videos every weekend. So check it out. And then I also do some daily vlogging. So if you guys want to see what I do outside of my beauty channel, check it out. Somewhere right here or up here somewhere. So check it out. But I will see you guys on my next video.